what we have displayed over here are our exhibits from the truck division, which is 55-ton 4x2, the tipper, and we have launched two products over here. One is the EVIATOR, which is where I am standing. It's a 3.5-ton gross vehicle weight vehicle, and the other one we have displayed over there, which is the super cargo, which is the cargo range for the electric vehicle version, is what we have displayed. The unique thing over here in the expo is that we have brought all the brands under the mother brand called Montra Electric. So in a way, it's a official bringing in of all the brands under the brand of Montra Electric. So there are extensive, trials and the customer seeding vehicles that we have done for both the vehicles. In fact, we have had many of customers visit our plant for this particular EVIATOR brand, and I am very happy to confirm to you that today we have signed a MOU of up to 600 to 800 of vehicles which will be supplied over next 1 year for this particular brand. So our total manufacturing capacity is 1.5 lakh vehicles per year for all the 4 plants put together. We have 4 plants, 3 of them are in and around Chennai and 1 of them is in Manesar. So that's where it is. As far as our R&D is concerned, we have a very strong R&D team who are involved in end-to-end. The biggest testimony of our R&D is that we are doing all the 4 segments, including the tractors, on our own. So there is no technological tie-up or any JV with any of the OEs. We are doing it all alone. So in that sense, we are India's first true blue EV manufacturer. So it's a chicken and egg story. The infra is also keeping a pace with the, the electric vehicles. But the pace at which the electric vehicles is growing. It was 20 lakhs last year. It's expected to grow to 100 lakh by 2030. So that's a 5-fold increase, right? So I'm very confident with government push towards electric vehicles, right? With more and more new players coming into electric vehicles and the overall trend being moved toward electric vehicles, I'm very sure that the ecosystem will also develop very well. So 3-wheeler business, for example, which we have about 80 dealers across the country. For this EVIATOR brand, we will have about 30 dealers ready by end of March. And as far as the truck business is concerned, that's more of a B2B, business to business vehicle. We want to electrify the entire ecosystem of the electric mobility. If you look at electrification, it is very less as far as the trucks is concerned. So we would want to really make the difference over there for the end customer, and that's going to make a lot of impact. We have not ruled it out, okay, but at this point of time, we would want to be focused on the range that we have, which is the tractors, the trucks, the small commercial vehicle and the 3-wheeler.